Hey, what's up guys? Jesus here. Welcome back to Let's Play Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. In the last episode, we had just finished the Lakebed Temple and we got turned back into a wolf and made our way to Hyrule Castle. If you haven't seen the last episode yet, feel free to go ahead and do so. I'll be here waiting. But right now, I'm sure many of you, if you haven't just skipped ahead to this episode already, have been waiting, because I did kind of just like leave it off at the very end. They're like, I'm gonna go through the door or not, and wait till the next episode. Can you help her? Yes, luckily she's only mostly dead. This is the one you need him to save your world. That's why, Princess, please, you must help Link. Oh, she's got like a divining rod in her hand. Oh yeah, duh, she's got a piece of the Triforce. What binds him is a different magic than what had transformed him when he first passed the curtain of twilight. It is an evil power. Our world is one of balance. Just as there is light to drive away darkness, so too is there benevolence to banish evil. Head for the sacred grove that lies deep within the lands guarded by the spirit Pharaoh. There you will find the blade of evil's bane that was crafted by the wisdom of the ancient sages, the Master Sword. The Master's Sword is a sacred blade that evil can never touch. Evil cloaks you like a dark veil, and that blade is the only thing that can cleave it. Link, hero sent by the goddesses. Like you, I have been granted special powers by the goddesses. Fine, Link. You can get to the woods on your own, right? Princess, I have one last request. Can you tell him where to find the Mirror of Twilight? Midna, I believe I understand now just who you are and what you are. Who and what you are. Despite your mortal injuries, you act in our stead. These dark times are the result of our deeds, yet it is you who have reaped the penalty. Accept this now, Midna. I pass it to you. Ugh, I can't do voices for too long, it just wears on me. No, Link, stop her! I'm not getting involved here. This is between you bitches. Whoa, where'd Zelda go? What a neat trick. So I think Zelda gave Midna her piece of the Triforce to help her recover. At any rate, now we can warp to the woods. Yeah, she's looking at her hand. That's a dead giveaway. I've taken all that you had to give, though I did not want it. Alright, and now we are outside of the castle. Oh my god, my battery's gonna die. Hold on, I got this. Give me 1 second. Ah! Sorry about this. I didn't realize my battery was so low, otherwise I would have plugged in my charger beforehand. Oh. Okay, it should be charging, I think. Yeah, we're good. Oh, stop doing that. Ah! Okay. Sorry about that, guys. One of the drawbacks of having limited recording capabilities. But yeah, now there's a big old Twilight barrier around the castle, and whoa, we need to be making our way to the woods. Over here. Yeah. Woo! Pretty sure this is where I need to be. Hey, it's that monkey. Still not wearing any pants. That's what happens when you run around without any pants on. You get assaulted by puppet guys. Let that be a lesson to you. Did you save me? Thank you. Listen, since you're here, let me tell you something. There's a pretty wooded area on the other side of the cliff. I climbed over there, but when I tried to get deeper in the woods, those guys attacked me. What's in those woods anyway? Oh, you're just a silly monkey. So there's another section of the forest. Alright, let's go. That's what I'm trying to do. Hooah. Come on. Go. 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 Yeah. Fuck both of you. Alright. Woo. It is by. Oh, come on. Okay. This isn't even really hard. Ooh, Howling Stone. Oh, it's the Prelude of Light. Whoop. I almost had it. Damn it, that's not it. Damn it! Come on. There we go. Totally got that shit. Jesus the genius. It's so much easier if the blue bars were just there to begin with. I'm just saying. I love how he twirls in place. Where's he at now? Looks like he's south of Hyrule Castle. So we'll go find him once we get our humanity back. But right now we've got to venture into the Lost Woods. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is a sacred grove. This is basically the Lost Woods. If you listen close, you can kind of hear Saria's song. Ooh. There we go. It's Zelda's Lullaby. What else do you play when you see the song of the royal family? Or the seal of the royal family? Ooh. Hello. It's the Skull Kid. So he's the one creating all these puppets. Well, that's not very nice of him at all. So I'm gonna have to teach the Skull Kid some manners. Do we go through here? I think so. I think he's in here, right? Yeah, he's up here. There you are. Gotcha. Oh, where are you going? Gotta go chase after him now. Come back here, you son of a bitch. Ah, stop chasing me. Leave me alone. I've done nothing to you. Ah! Okay, you know what? There. You know, just fuck off. Now where am I going? Did you go through here? I hear him. Oh, I know where he is. That sneaky bastard. He's through here. Okay, you know what, puppets? You all just need to go away. Thank you. I see why he uses the puppets. They listen really well. That's why I walked up to him and I hit A like I was gonna talk to him. Like he's an NPC. Like, no, I need to attack him. I don't know what that was going to accomplish. Oh, I know exactly where he went. Yeah, I know you went through this door. I saw you. Fuck off! Oh, he's up there. Hey, I could use those hearts. Awesome. Full health. Ah, go away. Shut up, Midna. Here. Will that shut you up? No? Excuse me. Nice. Very nice. Alright, so I'm guessing you went through here. Oh yeah, here we go. Sweet. Let's get this over with, Skull Kid. You and me. Oh, he doesn't look like he's playing around anymore. Okay, so you and me and your puppets. Well, okay. I'm not really into puppets, but I guess. Damn it! Where the hell is he? Ah, gotcha! Fuck you! Oh, he's not done yet? I thought we were done here. Come on. Damn it! Would you hold still? Oh, come on! Oh, he was right fucking there. Gotcha. Oh, you're still not done? Come on. How many times do I have to bite you in the face before you concede? So apparently it's like 15. Oh hey, I killed all your puppets. There we go. Are you done fucking around now, little kid? Okay, good. Hee bye. Ooh, well. Ah, it's so bright. This must be the place. Hey, look, there's the, seal of the royal family. Alright. I love that little twirl that he does his dog like. It's so funny. I've been dreading this so much just because I don't know if I'll remember it or not. It's like... We are guardians of this land. Guide us to where we once stood. Only then can you enter the true sacred grove. So I gotta get him back to those two spots on either side of that one. Whoa. can totally figure this out. Got this. Easy. So fucking easy. And the door has been opened. Go now to the sacred place, beast. We yield passage to the sacred grove. Don't call me beast, you asshole. Fuck's your problem? Ooh. There it is, Rose. It's about fucking time. It wouldn't be a Zelda game if we didn't obtain the Master Sword at some point. Yeah, you're not allowed to be by the Master Sword, Midna. It's like, fuck you! Nice. It, like, completely expelled the dark crystal from my body. Now human again. And I think I'll be taking this. The sword accepted you as its master. You damn right it did. Yeah, check that shit out. This thing is the embodiment of evil magic Zant cast on you. It's definitely different from our tribe's shadow magic. Careful, if you touch it, you'll turn back into a beast. This thing is too dangerous. It's probably for the best if we just leave it here, huh? But on the other hand, if we kept it, you'd be able to transform into a beast anytime you wanted. Yes. Since Zant was kind enough to give us this, we should be thankful and use it all we can. If you need it, just call me. I want to keep a low profile, so I'll hide in your shadow when you're human, but I can change you whenever. You can be a wolf anytime you like. Also, thanks to this thing, you can warp whenever you want by switching into wolf form. Hey, but listen, Link, I got a little favor to ask. You and your fucking favors, Midna. First, the few shadows, whatnot. Would you mind coming with me to find something called the Mirror of Twilight? It's hidden somewhere in Hyrule. Yes, the Mirror of Twilight, our last potential link to Zant. Oh, I was like, are you gonna tell me more story? Okay, good. No more story. Got the sword. That's all that matters. Really, really fucking happy about that, actually. I've been waiting for this fucking sword. Woo, Master Sword. You're not really Link until you've got the Master Sword and the Hylian Shield. I mean, technically, he's not even really Link because he's holding the Master Sword in his right hand, but I'm not going to argue semantics. It's necessary for the Wii title because most people are right-handed and they hold the Wiimote in their right hand. That's why Skyward Sword Link is right-handed. I just think it would have been nice if they'd included the option. That's why I'm still looking for a GameCube copy of this game. Because in the GameCube version, he's left-handed. Because it didn't matter. Alright, so we got the bug. There's a snail. It may be a male, but it could be a female as well. That's what it said. And now we're gonna blow up this rock and turn into a wolf voluntarily for the first time. And there's another Poe. So we're gonna kill the shit out of this thing. Get another Poe soul. If you remember, Yohani said that we need 20 Poe souls in order to restore his soul. So that's 2 down, 18 to go. Oop, don't want to talk to you. Now we can dig here and make our way down. Yeah. We'll transfer back into human. I'm just gonna take out all of these Deku Babas, or what are they called? Do you know what they're called? Oh wow, you don't provide me with any information. You're a lot of help. Aha! Get down here! Is that all of them? Tell me that's all of them. Thank you. Awesome. Alright. Sweet. Into the light. That's really all that we have to do in the Sacred Grove for now. So I'm going to go ahead and warp myself over to Castle Town, because there are a few things that I'd like to do over in Castle Town, but unfortunately I am going to have to save them for the next episode because I'm already pushing a half hour here. So those of you who are still tuned in at this point, be sure to tune in for the next episode. Until then, make sure to like, favorite the video. If you enjoyed it, let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thank you for watching.